Want to show you a technique for rolling walls. Nine-inch roller. I'm using a lambswool roller cover. That way there it doesn't splatter everywhere. Anyway, you start one roller length from the edge, then you pull it back out to the edge. And you roll it to about 3 roller widths. Then you lay it off. You go back over it real light. Real light. It's called laying it off. When you're laying it off, you don't want to use a lot of pressure at all. Again, you start in the middle, 2 roller lengths out, widths out from where you left off. Roll back into where you left off. And again, you don't apply no pressure. You got to lay it off now, coming back. Real light pressure. Just keep the boogers off the wall. Start in the middle of the wall like that, like right here. I seen you do that. That keeps your material in the wall. Keeps your material right in the center of the wall, so when you come over, you have plenty of paint. And again, you don't want to go over 3 roller widths from where you left off. And again, laying it off, real light, hardly any pressure. This keeps it from having roller marks in it. When you lay it off, there's no roller marks when it's finished. Rolling it off, laying it off, laying it off now. Laying it off. Off. There you go. Nice roller pattern.